Hello and welcome back to Codilla tutorial. Today we will make an app which will convert text to voice and your voice to text. You can have a look of that app.
Hello and good morning.
So let's create this app from the beginning. So we have this screen. In the previous projects we saw how to change the background color, but in this project instead of changing the color we will add an image as a background. So to do that, go to assets. Asset manager means you can upload images and videos into your projects to use as a component in your project. First I will upload an image. Click on upload asset and I will upload this image. Open. It will be uploaded in few seconds. Yeah, now it has been uploaded and it is available in your project. We should close this window and we will go to background image and click on background image and select that image you have just uploaded, and it will be your new background screen of your app. So next we want two more screens. For creating a new screen, click on add screen and you can name the new screen. So I will name it as text to speech and click on create. I will be using the same background for this. Before uploading the background, I will be removing the title bar and the status bar. Now I will set its background image is. Now create one more screen for speech to text. The third screen has been created. So I will remove the status bar and title bar and I will set its background image to the uploaded image, and we have all the three screens now. You can click here to navigate between the screens. So I will go to screen 1. Instead of using button for this operation, I will use card view as my button. So go to layout, click on general. You will see a card view there. Drag and drop it on your project. I want another card view, so I am dragging another card view to the project. So you have two card views. Inside the card view I will be adding a horizontal arrangement 1 and 2. Inside the horizontal arrangement I will be adding two labels each, one label and two labels. Click on card view. Now we should make it as fully clickable. Now our card view is fully clickable, and I will make it height as 20% and width will be 80%. Alignment will be in the center. So I will do the same for second card view. Now we have two card views. There are so many options to choose from. Shadow effect around the card view is called elevation. I will be making it as 20. So similarly for card view 2. So I want card view corner to be rounded. So I will be modifying its corner radius to 20. So elevation I will make it as 10. Sorry. For both the cases. Label 1 I will be using it as icon for a speech to text. First I will change the text to mic, and I will change the font typeface to material icon. So as soon as I change the font typeface, now you can see it has moved to a mic symbol. So similarly for label 3, I will be using it as a message symbol. I will be typing message, and I will be changing the font typeface to material icon. Now you can see it is changed to message icon. So label 2 I will be changing it to speech to text, and label 4 I will be changing it to text to speech. I will make all the 4 labels as 25 in size. Now we have all 2 card views to click on. If I click the first card view, it should go to a screen called speech to text. If I click the second card view, it will go to the screen called text to speech. So for to do that, go to blocks, scroll down, click on card view. There will be option called when card view click, so drag it. When card view click, what should happen? It should go to another screen. So scroll up, you'll see control option, click on control, scroll down, there will be option called open another screen name. Drag it to the workspace, and you should mention the screen name here. For that, go to text and select the first option like empty text. You should enter the same name as the screen name. So our screen name is speech to text, so I will be entering that. So similarly for the second screen, I will be copying this code, duplicate it. Now you will get changes to card view 2, and I will be changing the screen name to text to speech. Now we have now we are done with the screen 1. We should go and design rest of the 2 screens. So go to text to speech. So to convert from text to speech, we need a text box. So scroll down, you will get a text box, drag it to the project section and make it to center. Yeah, now we have the text box. Change the text box hint to enter something. Now we have the text box. We need a button to do the process. So drag a button to our project. After clicking this button, whatever there in this text box should be converted to a speech. So I will be changing the button text to convert. So we need a component to convert from text to speech. Go to media. In that, go to text to speech section and drag it into your project. Now it is not visible in your mobile screen because it is a hidden component. You can see here in the all component section there are options called all components, visible components, non-visible component. So text to speech is a non-visible component. So you can choose the country. So I will be selecting India. Language you can leave it as default. We should go to block section. Yeah, scroll down till we get the button. After clicking the button, like when button 1 clicked, what should happen? So click on text to speech. There is option called call text to speech speak message. So drag it, and you should mention the message, like what it should speak after clicking the button. So it should speak whatever is there on the text box 1. So click on text box 1 and you will find text box 1.text. Drag it and drop it on the message section. When button 1 clicked, whatever text there in the text box 1 should be spoke as a message. So now we are done with this page. We'll go to the last page. Click on this and go to speech to text section. We need a button, like After clicking the button, it should ask me for a voice input. So we'll add a button. We will align it to center. After clicking the button, you will say something. It should be printed somewhere, like it should be displayed somewhere. For that, we need a label. After clicking the button, whatever he spoke, it will be displayed on this label. So I will be making this label as a white in text color. Yeah, and I will be increasing its font size to 20. So we need something to convert from voice to text. So again, go to media. We will find a speech recognizer, drag it into the project section. First we will change the label to something, some good message, like something like welcome. So, and the text button to speak. If I click on speaker, whatever I spoke should be displayed on welcome. So click on blocks, go to button 1. If I click button 1, it should ask for voice input. When button 1 is clicked, a speech recognizer should pop up and it should get my voice as a text. So it should convert my voice as a text. That much is completed. So after getting the text, what should happen? So for that, click on speech recognizer and click drag after getting the text. After getting the text should be printed on label number 1. So click on label 1, set label 1 dot text, set label 1 dot text to the get result. It should go to the result and it will pop up with the get result. Drag it and drop it on the label 1 dot text 2. We'll get the get result section in result. So this means after clicking button 1, you can speak. After speaking, it will display it on label number 1. So we are done with this app. Now you can export and install it on your device. In the next video, we will see more about Codelearn.